Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yves once here again. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another review. This is a facial serum, a super affordable facial serum that you can add to your skincare. Now I'm talking about the Catrice Renew Face Serum. Okay, this is super duper cool. Like this facial serum, super affordable, super cool. It says it contains squalane and ceramide and also yuzu. Ceramides are lipids, which are fatty acids, and they are produced by the sebaceous gland. They help to moisturize and strengthen the protective barrier, and it helps protect the skin from external aggressors like the sun, pollution in the atmosphere. Yes. Now we have yuzu. Yuzu is like a Japanese, or it's an Asian fruit. It's like orange, lemon, it's a citrus. This is packed with vitamin C, and this is super great for the skin. Need I say more? You know the benefits of vitamin C for the skin. So is a power combination. So squalane, which is the other ingredients, is a type of oil which mimics your skin's natural oil to put oil into your skin. It helps moisturize and repair dry skin to improve its texture and appearance. So you can imagine these three. This serum over here is more of an oil serum, yeah. Costs about €8, which is about $9 or $10, as you can see. It moisturizes your skin without leaving it greasy, and it sucks directly into the skin. Now this is a super duper affordable serum, especially for those with very dry face, dry skin. If you've got fine lines, if you've got sunburns, uneven skin, this helps glow your skin in general. So this one over here says is made in France, and if you're talking about skincare, French skincare is the bomb. It says it's a moisturizing face serum infused with squalane, enriched with ceramide and yuzu. Now you generally massage 2 drops onto clean skin in the evening. They've advised you to use it in the evening. This is because maybe it's the yuzu, which is kind of a vitamin C, which is sensitive to light, so is more beneficial in the evening. You're going to get better results in the evening. I like to put this on my skin straight before jumping into bed, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin is soft, succulent, moisturized, and after that beauty sleep, my skin feels good to the touch. This, I must say, is odorless. It doesn't have any smell at all. It smells like water. It smells like nothing. It's odorless. It doesn't have any smell at all. So if you're looking for something with a nice fragrance, this is not the thing for you. But if you want great results, this is so cool. I have been using this for 2 months. Okay, as you can see, I've used it for that long, and I have about half now in it. Just a little bit is going to go a long way. Few drops and you massage and you're good. You don't need to use so much. Just a little bit goes a super long way. So as you can see, it's a 30 ml. I must say you can also mix it with your skin cream. If you have some skin lotion, just take a few drops, mix it up and put it on your body instead of your face. This, I use it directly on my face. I don't mix it with anything. But if you want to use it on your body, it's advisable to mix it up with your body lotion. So the ingredients are super natural. It doesn't contain any strange big name ingredients in it. It has this soybean oil, citrus oil, the squalane, the ceramide, and the yuzu, and basically that is it. Very, very natural and great for your skin. It does not irritate your skin. I use it on my face and I have very, very sensitive eyes, but this does not irritate your eyes. So if you're somebody looking for something for sensitive skin, this is very, very good for you. If you want to add elasticity, get rid of fine lines, give your skin that smooth texture, you need to give this a try. Okay guys, this was a short one and I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.